second part of the video. Basically your cyclone ties or CT160s or twist straps will go on like this. 4 screws into there, a couple of screws into the side of the truss, folded up over the top. There will be a service hole in the top of here which will allow for you to put in your 65mm coach screws, and they will go all the way down through into your top plate. Okay. We have put some driver bits in there because they will need to be relatively long ones to get down through there. Your 35mm screw again up from the bottom, making sure you've got DPC under your top plate, making sure that you've got DPC between your truss and your top plate. Next we will go and have a look at the 3D model which we will download for you. So this is what we're looking at here is your model. You've got some outrigger panels here that will form your soffit, and you will see down in here where you've got a splice on the truss. Okay, so they can just simply be done on site without any problems at all. Down in here is what I talked about before. The heel of your truss is actually on a 10-degree angle to match your roof panels, so you should quite easily get some really good fixing in through your roof panel into the heel of your truss. When you are assembling your wall frames, best place to start of course is with your bottom plate. Set your bottom plate out first. Then find stud 1 and then place your nog, and your studs will slide through. Work your way through there, all the way through, and then the top plate goes on last. Some of them will mark that they need a 150 by 32 by 0.95 plate. That will be in the bundles. When you get the framing on site, don't get overexcited and start opening up 3 or 4 bundles. We've bundled these in such a way that they will either be 1 wall per bundle, or there will be a label which will be part A and part B. Don't open up any more than you are actually going to assemble in front of you, otherwise you will get the parts mixed up. If you do have any lintel plates, using the Phillips low profile screws, basically at 150mm centres along the face, wherever you can onto any of the webs, and at 150mm centres along the top into there as well. Trusses will be a similar thing basically, and I know for a fact that these will be in part A and part B. Everything will be there. You can use the hex drive, the hex drives will work in here, or the square drives, or the Phillips drives. You can interchange most of the screws. Down in here you will see that the wee yellow mark there indicates the service hole I was talking about. At the bottom there is a triple hole, so there will be 3 little holes there. In 2 of those holes, preferably on the outside, put one in each hole of the 65mm TimberTech screws right down through into the top plate. I think that's all, Karen.